Yo, are you seeing fucking the beef that is going on in the community right now?
Between
Internet,
who and who? Oh God, not one more. Come on.
fucking, did you not see क्या कहते हैं प्रियल का tweet?
Who? What did Priyal do and said about who? Please don't tell.
अरे पता नहीं मुझे. I don't know how much of it is real.
I
ठीक
don't
है, I
think
don't
it's
know how
real.
much.
I've seen a tweet. I don't think it's real though.
What's the beef?
Basically,
What's the beef?
basically, Priyal, like I don't know, क्या कहते हैं, Jags fucking was taking shots at Priyal, उसको cringe wringe बोलने लगा,
ठीक
and
है.
क्या कहते हैं, comment में जाके cringe wringe बोलने लगा, फिर Priyal replied with कि क्या कहते हैं, तू क्या खाना भी लौड़े से खाता है क्या? एंड फिर ऐसे फिर इट काइंड ऑफ गॉट सीरियस. इट्स लाइक तू तो सिर्फ रिया के नाम पे व्यूज रहता है, तो बोलता है कि तो तू भी ले आना, तो बोलता है नहीं जरूरत, तो बोलता है हाँ नहीं लेके आ सकता ना क्योंकि रिया तेरे साथ हैंग आउट नहीं करेगी, ऐसा 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 ऐसा. एंड आई वाज लाइक भाई ये क्या हो रहा है, ये क्या हो रहा है. और फिर उसमें मैं बोला ये मेरे को मैं कमेंट्स पढ़ रहा हूँ, फिर मैं देखता हूँ ट्वीट पे भाई प्रियल ने ट्वीट कर दिया है, और मैं ऐसा ट्वीट पे देखता हूँ अबे ये क्या हो गया है. ओ भाई. और इट वाज फनी दैट प्रियल वाज स्लीपिंग नेक्स्ट टू मी, मतलब उसी दिन जिस दिन उसने ट्वीट किया है. हाँ, और मुझे पता भी नहीं है.
Does Saloni know what the hell is going on, Okas? क्या बोल रहा है भाई? Okas, you have to see you're 20 now. You have to use your words very properly. Okay, people on the internet are like, Priya, what's funny is Priyal was sleeping next to me. What do you mean? What the hell was going on?
What's funny was we were spooning and you know.
What's funny was I had my dick in his asshole and I didn't even realize.
Well, some people have jobs, guys. If somebody finds out my real identity, what's gonna happen? Does this sound like one of those superheroes, man? But anyways, here's what I think. Okay, you guys are believing all this. I think this is complete fake.
It is.
Freaking fake, and it's a call to attention, nothing else. And I think people should just, if in the tweet, people should go ahead and just tweet fake.
मुझे नहीं लग रहा है.
मुझे तो लग रहा है फेक है. एंड अगर नहीं भी है देन आल्सो इफ पीपल शुड गो एंड से फेक. ओके,
क्योंकि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं मतलब उस दिन ना जिस दिन उसने ट्वीट किया उस दिन प्रियल वाज एट माय प्लेस, पर मैंने पढ़ा और मैं सो गया और प्रियल भी सो गया, और फिर सुबह उठे और हम लोग व्लॉग शूट किए और फिर प्रियल शाम को निकल गया. सो वी डिडंट डिस्कस इट एट ऑल. आई कंप्लीटली फॉरगॉट अबाउट इट. बट इफ इट वाज फेक आई थिंक प्रियल वुड हैव टोल्ड मी. That's what I think. और I think Jax 2-4 बार ऐसा शॉट्स लिए है प्रियल पे. So I was like,
Jax has started taking shots क्या?
I don't know. अभी होलसम नहीं रहा Jax.
Yeah.
Really? I thought his Twitter is all about being wholesome. Is it
No,
not?
I don't know. बीच में मेरे से भी थोड़ा झगड़ा हो गया था. Not exactly झगड़ा. Me and Jax aren't friends at all. So ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं. But बीच में I started seeing that some subtle shots were being taken, and I was like, and he DMs, but I don't understand what's the dynamic that goes with him in his head. He's like, he will take shots, then he'll DM me. He's like, it's all a joke, and I'm like, bhai, like you don't have to clarify it with me. Like it's a joke. It's a joke. Like then go for it. But why are you clarifying? And फिर ऐसा बीच में खूब सारे शॉट्स लिए गए थे. फिर अभी मेरे को फिर से डीएम किया कि लाइक भाई मैं लाइक आई डोंट लाइक देयर इज नो ऐसा कुछ झगड़ा नहीं है. मैंने बोला भाई मैं आई डिडंट इवन थिंक ऑफ इट एज अ झगड़ा यार. इट्स लाइक नो गिला शिकवा नो नथिंग. देन फिर उसके बाद से बात नहीं हुआ.
He DM'd me about it too.
Yeah, so I never. So that's the thing, right? He takes shots. So at start I thought it was a joke as well, and then he DMs me like I hope you like मेरे कुछ ऐसा था नहीं मैं हो जाता है ये वो. So I'm like, so that was that real? So it in that sense मुझे लगता है ये भी असली हो सकता है. You know what I mean? यार प्रॉब्लम क्या है मुझे पता है. The problem comes, और मैंने ये नोटिस किया कि हम as a YouTuber, a lot of us are very insecure about our craft, right?
What I would like to say is that if
David Dobrik is the best. Sorry.
If people are taking shots, own up to it, man. Own up. Stop saying it was just a joke. Like, you know, just fucking own up.
Yeah.
Well, it was a very lame joke.
Yeah. I feel like no, the problem is ना, देखो मैं क्या बोलना चाह रहा था कि as a creator ना, we are all very insecure about our craft, and that oftentimes क्या कहते हैं leads into क्या कहते हैं insecurity leads into projection, and that projection leads into envy. That envy slowly translates into hate, and then there is this kind of imbalance between our mindset where like I don't hate anybody, but fuck, I am insecure and I need to take it out somewhere, and I cannot face it on my own. मैं अपने demons face नहीं कर सकता, and that often leads to this kind of YouTube drama. And like I see that this wholesome shit is going on a lot. No offense to anybody who is wholesome in real life or like on the internet or their persona, whatever. I don't give a fuck. And I'm not even specifying it to Jags in general. Like, I've seen this in 2016, it was very edgy. And around 2019, everybody started becoming towards some bit more wholesome side. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
This phase where क्या कहते हैं Fits or even क्या कहते हैं Jay Schlatt, ये सब लोग थोड़ा wholesome side पे चले गए, Minecraft and everything.
Right.
The problem with wholesome is, right, that you really need to be able to क्या कहते हैं have very strong क्या कहते हैं core of your own. समझ रहा है? You need to be very क्या कहते हैं तुम्हारा at foundation जो तुम्हारा है ना, वो बहुत strong होना चाहिए, because when you're किसी और की तुम तारीफ कर रहे हो, समझ रहे हो, तो it really needs to come from a genuine place, otherwise you start downplaying yourself.
Yes,
you know what I mean.
That is what I was about to say. Ki like I think if you genuinely feel that way, that's fine. I think people can be wholesome, sure,
definitely.
But portraying like this persona of which is the person behind the persona, but like portraying this persona of ki oh main to happy go lucky, I just want to make people smile all the freaking time. No, people are not gonna smile all the freaking time. You really think out of your 10-minute video they're gonna smile all the freaking time? They're not. That is not that is not real for me. Okay. I mean, sure, it sounds like a very क्या बोलते हैं उसको बहुत it's a very naive way of looking at the world. You can entertain people. You're trying to entertain people, but I don't know, man. Like this entire I don't fuck with the entire portrayal of I'm gonna be wholesome throughout because I am this person in real life. You're not. You're saying that you don't have bad days. You're saying you don't have bad days, and making people smile is enough for you to take over your bad days.
I don't know about that. I personally cannot relate to it, so it's hard for me to like just
I feel
understand.
Like every wholesome person out there, whoever is calling themselves wholesome, it's just passive aggressive for no reason actually.
It's very passive aggressive, Brian, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it's some form of virtue signaling, ठीक है? It is some weird form of virtue signaling, भाई मतलब कि
I think it started off with this whole क्या कहते हैं जो आप तो मेरी फैमिली हैं, आप सबकी वजह से ही तो मैं यहाँ पे.
Guys, if you what Oka said about this line of this trend of आप तो मेरी फैमिली है, go and check out Surya's video about he talks about
parasocial relationship.
Freaking bullshit. Okay, guys. Okay, I mean we are very grateful that you guys are here to support us. Whoever is watching the stream right now, we are grateful. Okay, but guys, let's be honest. You wouldn't like it if we turned up at your place without even like ever having a conversation with you. So I think like Brian said, it's very passive aggressive. I think it is some form of virtue signaling which people have tendencies to do. If you mature, when you mature over time, you don't do that. You realize कि अच्छा ठीक है मेरी खुद की boundaries है, मुझे उसका space है. I'm sure if when Jags becomes like a big deal, all this of I just want to make people smile. I don't think like he would like if people meet him all the time. If he is a big deal, people meet him all the time. He wouldn't be like he wouldn't be ready to meet people all the time, right?
And all the wholesome. I think the wholesome persona will just as you grow it dies down.
And one thing, I mean, I have no issues with Jags. He had pinged me once regarding like the entire like I thought he had taken some shots on you, or maybe I don't know. He was trying to explain himself to me. So I had specifically told him ki, I don't see, man.
You don't care.
Way older. I'm way older than you. Firstly, why the hell are you explaining yourself to me when you have taken shots on somebody else? If you have, that is.
Right.
And he just started telling me about how much he liked my vlogs or whatever. I'm like, fine, that's great. I appreciate that, but like, why are you telling me this? I don't really care. And to be honest, and me knowing Okus for so many years, I just told him like, I'm just letting you know Okus doesn't care either. Okay. If you want to make fun of Okus, that's fine, but he doesn't care. And I should have mentioned to him that see, if you want to go, you can go. Okay, because Okus can also go. And so
फिर फिर अगर या फिर राड़ा करते तो फिर आ जाओ, फिर फुल्ली राड़ा करेंगे, वन टाइम